So I'm giving a little review on these infrared heaters that I'm using to heat my garage. I have a 2-car deep garage. It's about 28 by 35. And obviously I do a lot of woodworking out here. So I wanted it to be warmer during the winter. I'm in New Jersey, so it's around 30 degrees outside right now as a high. So what I did was I purchased, to go along with these thermostat outlets. So they're wireless. They go right over here. So these control when I want it to kick on. Now, one thing to point about this specific one is that the temperature's off. So here's a digital thermometer showing it's 69 degrees in here. It's saying that it's 65. So I just kind of know that and go accordingly. Right now it's only kicking on one of them out of 2, but with the thin board insulation that I put on the attic ceiling right here, it's keeping it at a relatively nice temperature. I didn't want it too hot in here. I didn't want it too cold. I now debate if I only needed one of these units. But they were cheap enough compared to a lot of the other stuff where I was like, hey, you know, let's buy 2 and just make sure we're hot in here. So I wholeheartedly recommend them. I've had them for maybe 2 months now. It's December, so, you know, pretty cold out, and I've been pretty happy with them.